Your gas station isn't lying to you, but it's not telling you everything either. The fuel you're using meets every standard. Your car runs fine. No warning lights, no breakdowns. But over time, it quietly builds up inside your engine, and that damage can cost you up to $3,000 to fix. Today, I'm exposing 6 gas stations brands that protect your engine and 7 that slowly destroy it, plus the simple science behind why it happens. Stay with me. The brand at number 3 on the avoid list is one of the most beloved gas station chains in America, and I'm going to give you the data to back it up. Let's start with the engine, because the problem only makes sense when you understand what changed in modern cars. Older cars used port injection, where fuel washed over the intake valves and kept them clean automatically. Then came gasoline direct injection (GDI). It boosted power and efficiency, but moved the injector inside the combustion chamber. And just like that, the valves stopped getting cleaned. Now oil vapor coats them. Without fuel to wash it away, it bakes into thick carbon deposits, choking airflow, causing misfires, and eventually forcing an expensive fix like walnut blasting, often costing $1,500 to $3,000. So what's causing it? All fuel meets minimum EPA standards, but those standards are outdated. Testing shows low detergent fuel can create up to 19 times more carbon buildup than high-quality fuel. That's why major automakers created the top-tier standard, a higher level of detergent and testing designed to actually protect modern engines. So the real question is your gas station meeting it? I want to be direct about something before I name these brands. These are not bad companies. Several of them are category leaders. But fuel chemistry is a cost decision, and these brands have consistently chosen the lower cost option, which is the one that costs you more in the long run. Brand 1, WAWA. WAWA has built one of the most genuinely loyal customer bases in American retail. The stores are clean, the food operation is serious, and their regional presence across the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast continues to expand. People don't just buy gas at WAWA, they identify with it. WAWA is not top-tier certified. The brand equity is real. The detergent package is EPA minimum. The loyalty program rewards your visits. Your engine gets nothing extra in return. The business model at WAWA is built around the in-store experience. Fuel is a traffic driver. It exists to get you into the parking lot. When fuel is an afterthought in the business model, the additive package is the first budget line that gets optimized down. WAWA has made that trade. You should know it. Brand 2, SHEETZ. SHEETZ has over 700 locations across the Mid-Atlantic and Midwest, with aggressive growth continuing. They have invested heavily in made-to-order food, competitive pricing, and a loyal regional following. Their fuel meets the EPA floor. Nothing more. Top-tier certification requires 2 things: premium additives and paid independent testing to verify those additives perform as claimed. Both cost money. SHEETZ has chosen not to make that investment. That is a legitimate business decision. It is also a decision that transfers cost from their fuel program to your engine maintenance budget. Brand 3, BUC-EE'S. I know. BUC-EE'S is an institution. The cleanest restrooms in American highway travel. Dozens of pumps with zero wait. Rows of jerky, fudge, and branded merchandise. A social media following that borders on religious devotion. If you've been to a BUC-EE'S, you have an opinion about it, and that opinion is almost certainly positive. BUC-EE'S is not top-tier certified. The experience is exceptional. The chemistry is baseline federal compliance. Those are 2 separate facts, and both are true at the same time. If you drive a GDI engine, and statistically if your car was built in the last decade, you probably do, and BUC-EE'S is your primary fuel stop, you're feeding your engine EPA minimum detergent on a consistent basis. Brand 4, Sam's Club. Sam's Club is Walmart's warehouse membership brand. Tens of millions of members, competitive pricing across every department, and a fuel offering at most locations. It is a trusted name, and their gasoline does not meet the top-tier detergent standard. The membership model creates a specific kind of false confidence. You pay for access. You associate that payment with quality across the board, and Sam's Club earns that association in a lot of categories. Fuel is not one of them. Their fuel program is built around price per gallon competitiveness, and achieving that price point means the additive package lands at the EPA floor and stops there. Members filling up at Sam's Club are not getting a membership benefit in their fuel tank. They are getting the same minimum standard chemistry available at any non-certified station down the street, just slightly cheaper per gallon. That saving disappears fast once you account for what EPA minimum fuel costs your engine over time. Brand 5, 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is one of the largest fuel retailers on Earth by location count. Tens of thousands of stations across the United States. The scale is genuinely enormous. And at that scale, the cost of upgrading the additive package system-wide would be staggering. 7-Eleven has not done it. The fuel model at 7-Eleven is convenience capture. You are already there. You needed something from inside the store or you needed gas, and there was a 7-Eleven nearby. The fuel economics are not built around engine chemistry. They are built around proximity and margin. If you fill up at a 7-Eleven, you are almost certainly getting EPA minimum. Now you know. Adjust accordingly. Brand 6, Speedway. This one requires a specific historical note. Speedway maintained top-tier certification in several markets before 2021. Drivers who used Speedway regularly in that era and felt good about it had legitimate reasons for that confidence. The fuel was certified. The additive standard was real. In 2021, 7-Eleven acquired Speedway and began integrating the brand into their network. The top-tier certification has largely not carried over through that transition. This is the case study in why memory is the wrong tool for this decision. Speedway's historical reputation no longer describes their current fuel program. If you see a Speedway pump, the only thing that tells you the current chemistry standard is the top-tier logo on that pump. If the logo is not there, you do not have certified fuel. Your memory of what Speedway used to be is irrelevant. Brand 7, Circle K. Circle K operates thousands of locations across the United States under a global brand. Their top-tier participation varies by region. Some markets have achieved certification, others have not. That inconsistency is actually the most operationally dangerous situation on this entire list. A driver who has used a certified Circle K location for years will build confidence in the brand. They will assume the certification is universal. They will pull into a different Circle K in a different market and fill up without checking, because in their experience, Circle K is fine. It may not be. Without the logo on the specific pump you are standing at, you have no information about the chemistry in that particular tank. Circle K is not a bad choice where it is certified. It is an unreliable choice everywhere else. The logo on the pump is the only fact that matters. Now the white list, 6 brands that protect your engine. These brands have made a different decision. They pay for the additives, they pay for the independent testing, and they maintain certification. Every fill-up at one of these stations is passive engine maintenance. Brand 1, Costco. The headline of this entire list. Kirkland's signature gasoline has been top-tier certified for years. It is routinely among the lowest-priced options per gallon in any market where Costco operates. High-standard chemistry, competitive price, consistent certification. Costco made a deliberate strategic decision to use fuel quality as a membership benefit, a reason to drive to their location instead of the station across the street. That decision turned their fuel program into one of the most respected in the industry. If there is a Costco within a reasonable distance of your routine driving, it should be your primary fill-up location. This is the simplest, lowest cost, highest value decision on this list. Brand 2, Shell. Shell's additive program is consistently cited in independent research as one of the most sophisticated in the retail fuel industry. Their V-Power Nitro Plus formula incorporates a nitrogen-enriched cleaning compound engineered not just to prevent new deposits, but to actively remove existing ones. This distinction matters. Most certified fuels work preventively. They stop buildup from forming. Shell's formula is designed to address deposits that are already there. For a GDI engine that has been fed inferior fuel for a significant number of miles, regular Shell usage can actually reverse some of that accumulated carbon over time. Shell has been involved in defining the top-tier standard at the research level, not just meeting it as a compliance exercise. If you have a high-mileage GDI vehicle and you want to run a remediation program through your fuel choice, Shell is the prescription. Brand 3, Chevron with Techron. Techron is the proof point. Chevron's polyether amine detergent formula is so well regarded by professional mechanics that it is bottled and sold as a standalone fuel system treatment at auto parts stores across the country. People buy it specifically to clean their engines. It works on intake valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chamber surfaces. The same formula is in every gallon of Chevron gasoline, at no extra charge, as a default. When mechanics recommend adding a bottle of Techron to your tank, they are recommending the same chemistry that Chevron customers receive automatically. If you want fuel that functions as passive maintenance every time you fill up, Chevron makes that case as clearly as anyone on this list. Brand 4. ExxonMobil Synergy. ExxonMobil's Synergy fuel platform applies a premium additive package across their entire product line. Not just a premium tier, not just certain markets. Both Exxon and Mobil branded stations carry the certification, and the formula is designed specifically around the deposit profiles that develop in modern high-mileage engines. ExxonMobil is one of the largest fuel retailers in the country. The Synergy certification is broadly available and consistently maintained. For drivers who prioritize engine longevity and want reliability across a wide geographic footprint, Exxon and Mobil represent a dependable default. Brand 5. SUNOCO Ultratech. SUNOCO's identity in the market is built around performance and motorsport. Their fuels supply racing programs at various levels of professional competition. That heritage is not just a branding story, it reflects an institutional engineering culture around fuel chemistry. Their retail Ultratech product carries top-tier certification. The same additive discipline that goes into their racing fuel programs is applied to the pump-grade product available to everyday drivers. For performance-oriented drivers in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, where SUNOCO has strong distribution, Ultratech is an underrated choice. You are getting a fuel program developed in the context of motorsport competition, available at a standard retail pump. Brand 6. Phillips 66. These three brands operate under the same parent company and share a unified top-tier certified fuel program. Phillips 66 as the parent brand has strong distribution across the Midwest, Mountain West, and Southeast, regions where some of the other names on this white list have limited presence. If you are in a market where Costco, Shell, and Chevron are not convenient, the Phillips 66 family of brands is your best backup. Learn which of the three banners is in your region and make it your default secondary option. What to do if you are stuck? Here is the practical reality. Not everyone has convenient access to a top-tier station. Road trips happen. You run low in the wrong place. Your options are limited. One tank of EPA minimum fuel is not a crisis. The damage from inferior detergents is cumulative. It builds over thousands of miles, not one fill-up. If you are stuck, fill up and move on. But if non-certified fuel is your consistent, long-term option, you need a chemical defense. Every 3,000 miles, run a high-quality PEA cleaner through your system. PEA stands for polyethyramine, the same class of detergent compound that makes premium fuels effective. A concentrated dose will do meaningful work on existing deposits. Be specific about what you are buying. At the auto parts store, look for PEA listed explicitly on the product label. Many cheaper additive products use PIB, polyisobutylene, which is significantly less effective on hardened intake deposits. The label matters. Proven formulas worth the money. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, Redline SI, 1 Royal Purple Max Clean. These are not affiliate recommendations. These are what professional mechanics reach for. One longer-term note. If you have been running on EPA minimum fuel in a GDI engine for more than 30,000 miles, it may be time for a professional induction service, a mechanic-performed cleaning of the intake system. Get ahead of it before the mileage, and the symptoms make the decision for you. Here's the bottom line. All gas is legal. All of it will run your car. But one type slowly costs you more, and the price difference is basically nothing. So look for one thing, the top-tier logo. If it's there, you're good. If it's not, now you know why it matters. For an updated list, check WAWA. Brands change, so don't rely on memory. The facts are clear. The choice is yours.